Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I am going to be doing my brows. So I just got the Bomb Ass Brows by Desi Perkins and I got the color, what is this? Medium Neutral. And in no way am I a beauty blogger or anything like that. I just thought I'd try it out. So I did watch her brow tutorial and she used the Foolproof Brow, the 24-hour brow setter, Precisely My Brow, High Brow, and of course the spoolie and the angled brush. So she didn't use the Ka-Brow, and I feel when it comes to like pomades and stuff for brows, I always use it for like special occasions to kind of give me more defined brow. So I'm going to use what she did, and she used the Foolproof first, then the pencil, then the brow gel, which I normally do a pencil, a powder, and then the gel. So she did it the other way. I mean, I guess I'll try it and we'll see how it comes out. So again, I got the medium neutral. So this little guy looks like this. I don't think I'm gonna use the pencil thingy that came with it. I don't even know what this looks like. So I'm just going to use the angled brush and the spoolie. And again, I am not a beauty blogger. This is not a profession I do. I just thought I'd do it on camera for you guys. So, okay. And she used the lighter color and then the darker color towards the end. And of course, it's nice that it gives you like a little guide. So I'll just use the big old mirror that came with it, so hopefully I don't cover the camera. And I think she said she does feather-like strokes and kind of to give like the outline of the brow, and then she goes back in with the pencil and does feather-like strokes also. I just have to realize I have to be more light-handed because I do get heavy-handed on my brows. So I'll do one brow for you guys. So feather-like strokes. And I've never used any of the Benefit products, so I'm not even sure if this is like the perfect color for my brow, but I'll work with it. I can always go darker or just go really light. You'll hear noise. It's my daughter. She is here. She knows I'm in the other room doing a video, and I left my door open so I can hear her, make sure she doesn't get in any trouble. She doesn't take naps, so it's not like I could just wait till she naps. So it's either do it now or wait until really late, not like really late, but late enough that, you know, I can do it. So. And she does have thin eyebrows, not thinly shaped, but like very fine hairs and everything, which I do too, but she has a lighter color compared to me. Mine's a little bit darker. So it feels so weird doing a powder first since I gotten used to doing pencil first. So, and I'm just going to do this brow because this brow is a little bit harder to do because I have a scar here and a scar over here, so it comes out a little crazy, but my hair mostly covers it either way, so if I mess up, I'm just like, whatever. Alright, and then now I'm going to dip into the little darker color to get the tail end. And the brush, I think it is a little thick for my liking. I use the Sigma angle brush and it's a lot thinner, and I prefer that one over this one. So I will say like this feels a little thick for my brow. Okay, so there's that. Remember, I am no pro or anything, so if you're back there laughing like, girl, you don't know what you're doing, well, I won't argue with you. Alright, next I'm going to be using Precisely My Brow pencil, and it also comes with a spoolie and then this pencil, which is really thin. Another one, I think it's a L'Oreal one, has a thin one, not as thin as this, but pretty thin that I like to use also. All right, and then she just went in there and did feather-like strokes, and followed the hairs, the growth hair. So, can you guys see, or do I need to zoom you guys in a little bit more? Let's go in a little bit. Okay. All right. And she just does it to fill in like the gaps, but I always feel like with the pencil it's a lot easier to to make the guide, well, not the guide, but like shape out your brow. So let's see. Okay. So I do like the pencil a lot more. And then, sorry, my curls are probably in the way. All right. All right, how's that looking, people? Yay, nay, how's the color? Does it match my skin? I think the color works. My hair is dark and then the ends, a lot of people think I have highlights, but it's actually my hair color that grew out, and so I just kind of I'm letting it grow out. This looks good. I like it. I like it. All right, let me just brush that one more time. And she's very light-handed with her, with her products, but I think for working so many years with, in cosmetology, or, makeup and stuff, you learn to have a light hand. Me, it's my face. All right, next is the brow gel. And it's a clear one. And again, all these products are all full size, except the Brow. It is a little guy, which is fine. All right, and then let me just set this. I think I'm used to like a smaller brush. I feel like this would be great for people with like longer, bigger eyebrows. But it works. All right, people. What do you guys think, huh? Simple, everyday brow. I mean, I like it. The products were great. Let me zoom you guys out. These are all over my face. So yeah, so I'm gonna do my other one off camera and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, I just finished both my brows. I forgot to use the highbrow. So let's try that out. Looks like this. Where do we get? Okay. Try not to go heavy-handed on it because I've never used a product like, I normally don't do like a highlight. Well, I mean with eyeshadow, yes, but not with like a pencil or anything like that. And I'm going to be using the Morphe with Jaclyn Hill JH42 brush. So it's a little guy like this. And then I'm just going to blend that down. Oh, that's nice. All right. I'm going to add a little bit more like up in the front. So that actually, the product feels really, really nice to manage. I know I've tried a product like this before, not Benefit, but a different brow, and I feel like it always clinged onto my skin, and then when I try to blend it, it would like break up and stuff like that. But this one actually feels really nice, easy to blend. That's a nice product. Okay, that is something I will use again. So. And you'll hear my daughter again in the background. She's running around playing until I finish this up. Alright. How's that look? I think that really shaped the brow a lot better. I like it. So yeah, and I really like the products, especially Precisely My Brow. I did go darker on my first brow that I did, only because I prefer something a little bit more darker. The products are great. I really like them, all of them. I probably will include like one of my tinted brow gels, part of the routine for me. And another thing is I did order mine on Ulta, which I mentioned in my previous video. So if you're gonna order this, I recommend you do it from Ulta. Use that 20% off coupon that they offer, so you can save, I think it's like $11 on it, so you'll save something. And they did have a gift with purchase. If you look at my last video, you'll see that I got an extra gift with it, so it was a limited gift, so I don't know if they still have it available. Let me know if you guys like the way my brow turned out. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. And you can hear my kid over there. Have a great one. Bye.